Here we are back on Project Jeep. The first significant effort really that I've put into it since I got it, I'd say. Unless you count driving around the place picking things up in the other Jeep. And basically this left-hand corner was all smashed up in a lot of places. So I've just been doing a lot of fiberglassing and clamping and weighting and fiberglassing and clamping and weighting and etc. as you can see. So that's today's fun task. That bottom corner down there was really smashed up actually. It was all out of shape. I couldn't really work out what was meant to go where at all too much to line everything up. I finished up cutting a little template off of that side so that I could flip it over there. Get it all lined up properly. Not doing this one-handed ever again. That was a fun. Let's put that one on there first. The great thing is I don't have to clamp shit anymore. Now that I've got the other main pieces in. Let's get that down away from there so the screw can go through it properly. This is just acetone. Clean all the shit off it. Let's pull it up. That's better. Pull it up like that. a bit more.